The little girl?
How many?
7. Okay. Seven. Yeah, thank you. Anyway, he can also add. And now I'm going to ask you for 2 different ones. 2 numbers now. Okay? Let's see if our friend Frankie can add in that machine. Okay, the first one. Anyone, please. I'm sorry? Number 6. Thank you. Okay, the little girl over there. Yeah, back. Yes. You, darling. I'm sorry? 10. I can hear you. Are you sure about that? Mm-hmm. It's a real parrot, not a computer. Frankie. Okay. He wants to see you after the show for fight. Yeah, okay. Frankie, okay. Look. Listen to me first. Pay attention. Number 6 plus number 10. 10 plus 6. En español, para olvidarte, ¿vale? 6 más 10. No. Okay, stop. Okay. Start again. 10 plus 6. Yeah, Frankie. Okay. Yeah. Wow. Bueno. Okay, our friend. We continue with 2 gladiators. 2 gladiators. They are going to go from this side of the table to the other side with this Roman chariot. The first gladiator, el pequeño, the little one, Crixus, the gladiator. Okay? The brave Crixus. Ready? Okay. And the big one, the Spaniard, Octavius Johnny. Brilliant. Remember, strength and honor. Fuerza y honor. Yeah, Johnny.